Yo, what is up? Comment down what you guys want to see next. If you want to see day in a life, if you want to see me analyzing, me teaching supports, resistance, whatever guys do the most. So I'm gonna be giving you all a market breakdown for what I think will happen next week with just a few pairs: gold, US30, and GBP AUD. So let's start with the daily time frame. The daily time frame, as we can see, just looking at previous market structure, the market was in a downtrend, market was trending down, and then it started pushing up. As we can see, we broke above this high, and the market pushed up. It's still this level that the market hasn't reached, in this level. See that the market came here respecting this previous support. So support here, it respected it as resistance, and we can see it drop. So what I saw is the market pushed up, and then it gave us this pattern: first, second, third. As you can see, this beautiful pattern right here. Market gave us first, second, third. That's the reason for the drop. But I don't know. I wouldn't consider a sell as yet. Up until this level right here is broken. As you can see, this is what I'm looking at next week. There's still this support that was respected once, respected twice. Market might still come back down, touch it, and push us up, giving us something like this, something like this, something like this, and then just retest and push to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting. As you can see, the market gave us this reversal pattern, broke outside, retested over there, but it wasn't a beautiful retested, but that wasn't a clean retest. Some people would have entered here, but I personally don't take such trades. I wait for it. As you can see, the market came back up beautifully, and we are currently like stuck in this. As you can see, probably on the 1 hour time frame. We've got our first, second, third touch, double bottom. Some expect the only time I'll enter is if this lows are broken, it breaks, it comes back and retests, giving us like a hammer or an engulfing candlestick pattern. I wish I had entered here, but I was unlucky. I wasn't looking at this pair, I wasn't looking at it, and I missed the entry, missed the trade. But this is what I'm looking for next week. We have our we have gold. Uh, oh, let's go to all. Daily time frame. So I'll show you guys what I was looking at. As we can see here on the gold, the market was in an uptrend and still is in an uptrend, and then it started giving us the small uh, bearish trend type of structure, a small bearish trend type of structure. As you can see, first, second, third touch rejected right there on the psychological level, which was a previous resistance also. These lines are just here to guide me, so I don't randomly plot supports and resistance. These lines do that for me. I just look at these lines. I only plot support and resistance on the smaller time frames. As we go deeper into the charts, we can see that okay, the market came, found support over here, pushed up, came back, support on this trend line. You know, some of you guys might do this. My tourist first, second, third, as you can see, came back down. You see, the market does not always respect the psychological level. That's why you need to like know, as you can see here, just looking at it, we have our first, we have our second, we have our third touch. So this is a strong support. We have another touch over there. So in some this is something I was looking for. I was looking at the market came down in this structure, this corrective structure, as you can see, first, second. This was our third touch. It's a beautiful trade I took. Third touch, I took this trade upon this break and retest. Break, as you see, it broke, it retest. This was my entry. I was unfortunate, but I exited early as I took this trade on a smaller time frame. I took this on a smaller time frame. So my TP was somewhere here. This was, yeah, I did not hold this trade. Something like this. I was hoping to hold this longer, but I failed. I was not anticipating this big move last week Friday. So now this is what I'm expecting now. I'm expecting, since the market moved, pushed beautifully, we broke above this. Let me show you guys. Since we broke above this resistance that the market was failing to break, resistance which is a psychological level, I'm expecting for the market to come back down, retest, and take us to the upside. Either stop here by this trend line, or it's going to break the trend line and then we're going to continue the uptrend. So that's what I'm looking for in US30. Let's check US30, guys. So I'm expecting a break, retest, push to the upside, come retest these highs. The US30, same thing. Let's go back to our daily time frame. We clean all of this. So this I'll have to reanalyze. Okay, have to reanalyze. As you can see, first, second, we have our third touch here. We're expecting buys, guys. We had this high that the market broke above. Also took a buy over here. So we can see currently we're in an uptrend. So the market just keeps respecting this trend line. We're in an uptrend. Beautiful setup, beautiful setup, but I was stopped out, I was manipulated. I don't know how you call this. I got stopped out because of this candlestick right here. I had my entries somewhere here. Entries somewhere here. My stop loss was somewhere here, and my take profit was here. Market came, boom, took me out before even going into my direction. Very painful, but yeah, guys. So it took me up, pushed up, and then I saw that, okay, the market created another support right here. You'll be able to see it on a smaller time frame, and we have also a resistance right here. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Let me tell you about a new man. It's taking long. What's up, network? No! The network is long. So we can see that the market is still bullish, guys. There's no way why you're selling. There's no reason for you to sell this trade, this pair, US30. Marketing, so slow. Okay, guys, it's back. As you can see, guys, the market pushed up bullishly, right? Pushed up bullishly. We see rejections come through. This first rejection, second rejection. Okay, so we would think that the market is going to drop and go to the downside. But as we see, we also have support here. Market fails to break the support, gives us this candlestick right here. I think that's where I took my trade. So I took my trade somewhere here. But I left somewhere. This was my trade. So what